Hi guys, it's your girl Maria Wangari. If you're new here, my name is Maria Wangari. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and turn on the post notification on. Let's start this video. So for this you're gonna need the glue, a pair of scissors, tape, a ruler, your preferred pictures and also your preferred color of manila, and a box. That's all. So first thing first, you align your picture with the cardboard. Make sure it's the same size. Cut it. Take your office glue, spread it on the edges, and then you take your printed picture, stick it onto the cardboard. After that you take your manila paper, cut it into a stripe 1 centimeter wide, put on some glue and stick it onto the picture. Do the same for the other 3 sides and make sure umekata hizo zimebaki nje so that you have a clean work, and then you're done with the photo frame. Here you go. So the second way of framing your picture is cutting your manila paper into a rectangle, the shape of your printed picture. I was lucky enough to have to get printed pictures with stickers on the back, so I just ripped them off and then stick them onto the manila paper, and there they are. I have 2 beautiful framed printed photos. I don't know if that's how I need to say it, but that's how you make the photo frames. I'm sorry guys, the video was a bit short, but I promise next time I'll do a better job so that you get the right steps, so that you see everything that I'm doing on the camera. So right now I'm trying to look for a setup that I'll go with onto the wall, the setting that I'll go with to stick the photos on the wall. So I'll use this setup on that wall. Yep. So like I said, some pictures had a sticker on the back, so it was easier for me to stick them on the wall. I just rip off the sticker on the back and then stick them. So I'm going to stick the other photos off camera so that we don't bore you or take much of your time. Yeah, so here we go. These are the pictures. Guys, let me know what you think about this. For me, I think it gave the room a whole new different look, which it didn't have before. I think this is great, guys. I really love this. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this wall decor. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.